The subject of this video is creating a flow in Power Automate that will notify you when you're mentioned in one of the team's channels. So let's open up Power Automate, go to the waffle, select Power Automate, and then go to Templates, and then enter this text. Once you do, this template will appear. So click on the template. Okay, verify the connections. Make sure everything's okay with the connections. Confirm. Now select the team. So I'm going to go with the memo documents team and the general channel. And I'm going to click create. Ignore the error message if you get it. It's just telling you that you haven't selected a team yet. Great. So the flow is created. It's active. You can see the checker there saying that it hasn't run yet. My flows are to run every 5 minutes. And I don't want the video to sit here and wait 5 minutes while we're waiting for the flow to run. So I'm going to show you how it's run in the past. So I go to the team, the channel, I do an @ to look up my name, type in a message, and then post. Just check your spelling first. And then click post. Now when your flows run every few minutes, what it'll do is it'll scan the channel, it'll see that you've been mentioned, and then it'll notify you. Okay, it hasn't run yet. So let's go over to Teams and I'll show you where you get notified. It's in the alerts section of Teams up top. So you can see where it's been, the message has been sent on a past creation of a flow. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Experiment with flows. There's lots of templates. Click like and subscribe. Thanks.